Well, I'm responsible for resins in the plastic world for medical devices. So my first interested is on finding new suppliers or new sources for resins or plastics. But I also get the chance to meet with my current suppliers because they're all over here at the show. So I find the opportunity to meet with them.
Just wanted to come out and see new technologies, see what companies are presenting. My company, we're always looking for what's new in the industry and what's coming down the road as well.
We're a small contracting company for Department of Defense. So we came out here looking for beyond medical. We're looking for defense contractors or suppliers that we can bring into our industry side. So far, it's challenging because we're in a big conference for something other than what we do, but so far we found it pretty interesting. We have found a few component places and cabling shops, and yeah, so we're enjoying our time here and enjoying meeting everybody that we're coming across. We're like right now, we're taking some time to go through all the booths to try to figure out which ones we hit. Obviously, because we are with defense, we're looking for American made. So that's a little bit of a challenge since the medical field isn't quite as stringent in that area as defense is. But yeah, we're going through a lot of websites, a lot of booths and checking everything out. And yeah, definitely would come back.
I teach in the Arduous College of Business about manufacturing, so I like our students to know what's current, what's new, new developments, new technologies. And I think this is a great conference because they bring in not only local individuals, but national, even global. And the workshops, the panel presentations, the exhibitors, you get to stay current in what's new. So it's a great conference. I'm glad I'm able to participate.
I am with CNCOpsJobs.com, and we specialize in finding CNC programmers and operators fresh out of school that are willing to travel in order to fulfill all of the CNC needs of milling, lathing, laser cutting, water jet cutting, and all those. And I'm here to spread that awareness as well as to try to fulfill some of the needs of the exhibitors here for their industrial service.
I work for a company called Stiwa. We do factory production solutions, and we're looking at the industry. I'm actually here surveying the show to see if this is a place we want to present next year. A lot of the AI technology stuff's amazing. I saw a simulation where they said they were doing CAD, but they were actually having bones, and they had attached the muscles, and it was like moving, and the muscles were flexing, and it was really super cool.